Let's say someone loses their teeth, then there's two ways to go about it. There's something called as an immediate implant, in which the dentist may plan the removal of the tooth and the implantation very soon, hence the term immediate. There's also delayed implant, so delayed implant insertion, where they may wait for a while, could be a couple of weeks to months, and then do the implant. So they do use a surgical drill, and they do literally drill into the bone to place the implant. Now, of course, this happens under anesthesia, so that the patient would not be feeling uncomfortable or like pain or something. So it's not like brutal, or it's actually a relatively straightforward procedure, but it's quite bloody and like requires the dentist to be an experienced dentist in implants and in dealing with oral surgery and all of these things. Of course, it's normally it's actually done while the person is awake, not while they're asleep. But if they're way too anxious or way too like they have a phobia or they have other reasons that we need to, of course, the dental implant is generally done under local anesthesia, meaning while the person is awake. There are cases where the person may be under general anesthesia, but that's not routine. That's not normally how it's done. Some patients may ask for general anesthesia. Yeah, the dental implants, like I said, generally speaking, there are a lot of options in relation to anesthesia. So there's local anesthesia, which is done while person's awake. There's sedation or laughing gas also. So let's say someone was going to get a full mouth dental implants, which does happen. So they may get, for example, 4 to 6 dental implants in the upper, 4 to 6 dental implants in the lower. Person like this may have it under local anesthetic, or they may go through sedation, or they may have it under general anesthetic. So it really depends. I work with a lot of oral surgeons and periodontists. When they do a big case, like a full mouth, they're not doing it under GA, which is general anesthesia. They're not doing it under general anesthesia. Actually, they're doing it under local anesthesia. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the numbing anesthetic while person is awake, especially if it's localized and like a localized injection, that is going to be mostly you can have a discussion and conversation with your dentist about a lot of things. So about the risks and success of the dental implant, the technique they're going to use, the anesthesia. You can research about this later. It's actually fairly simple. You can ask them whatever you want. It's your choice. Do you understand? So, of course, this is not medical advice. I'm just, this is for educational purposes. I'm just talking generally about dental implants for anyone, not somebody specific. So,